guys, I'm Gunjan here. This is my first video, and in this video we will talk about nitrogen cycle, and this is a topic from class 11 chapter mineral nutrition biology. So let's start. Okay, nitrogen metabolism. Metabolism means chemical reactions in cells. You all know nitrogen is present in the form of N2 with three bonds. Three bonds, covalent bonds. They are very strong covalent bonds. There are main three forms of nitrogen: nitrate, nitrite, ammonium ion. The most absorbable form of nitrogen by the plants is nitrate. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle is a gaseous cycle, and the main reservoir of nitrogen is atmosphere. 78% of nitrogen is present in atmosphere, and only 5% of nitrogen is present in the soil. So that's why nitrogen is a limited nutrient for both natural and agricultural ecosystem. Nitrogen is a constituent of amino acids, proteins, and hormones, and chlorophyll, and many of the vitamins. So being a limited nutrient, plants compete with microbes for the limited nitrogen in the soil, right? So let's come upon the topic. The conversion of N2 to NH3 is nitrogen fixation. This process is basically done by an enzyme called nitrogenase, but we will talk about this enzyme in the further video of biological nitrogen fixation. So, atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia. That process is known as nitrogen fixation. But these atmospheric nitrogen can be converted into ammonia by three processes. It can be biological nitrogen fixation, it can be industrial nitrogen fixation, or electrical nitrogen fixation. बायोलॉजिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन से यू विल गेट अमोनिया, इंडस्ट्रियल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन से भी यू विल गेट अमोनिया, बट इलेक्ट्रिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन से सीधा यू विल गेट नाइट्रेट NO3 माइनस. इंडस्ट्रियली नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन कैसे हो सकता है? बाय कंबशन, बाय पावर जनरेटिंग रिसोर्सेज, या फिर फॉरेस्ट फायर्स, या फिर ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्रीज. एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन कैसे हो सकता है? इन नेचर लाइटनिंग होती है, यूवी रेडिएशंस प्रोवाइड इनफ एनर्जी टू कन्वर्ट दिस नाइट्रोजन इनटू नाइट्रेट. सो योर नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन इज डन. नाउ this ammonia, when your atmospheric nitrogen is converted into ammonia by biological nitrogen fixation or by industrial nitrogen fixation, so this ammonia is further converted into nitrite, and this nitrite is further converted into nitrate, right? So this whole process is known as nitrification. The conversion of ammonia to nitrite, nitrite to nitrate, this process is called as nitrification, and this nitrification process is done by the some bacteria. Now when you will get nitrate, this nitrate is the most absorbable form, है ना? तो this nitrate is now consumed by plant biomass. ठीक है? This nitrate is now consumed by the plant biomass. What happens is the plant takes up the nitrate from the soil, and in leaves it converted the nitrate into amino acids. Plant biomass can be converted into decaying biomass, and this plant biomass can eaten by animal biomass, and this animal biomass भी decaying biomass में चला जाएगा. Decomposition of the organic nitrogen. This decaying biomass contains what? This decaying biomass contains organic nitrogen, and this organic nitrogen is converted into ammonia, and this process is called as ammonification. One more point here. The plant biomass, the nitrate present in the soil is taken up by the plant biomass, and then the rest of the nitrate present in the soil is converted into atmospheric nitrogen, and this process is known as denitrification. Okay. Now we will talk about the bacteria. See, NH3 to NO2, जब अमोनिया से नाइट्राइट बना तो क्या कौन से मतलब अपने आप तो ये प्रोसेस होगा नहीं, कुछ ना कुछ तो चाहिए जब ये प्रोसेस होगा. तो अमोनिया से नाइट्राइट बनते वक्त यानी कि क्या हुआ, यहाँ ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ अमोनिया का, तभी जाके नाइट्राइट बना. और यहाँ पे बैक्टीरिया कौन से यूज़ हुए? नाइट्रोसोमोनास एंड नाइट्रोकोकस. इन बैक्टीरिया की हेल्प की वजह से अमोनिया ऑक्सीडाइज होकर के कन्वर्ट हो गया नाइट्राइट में, एंड देन जब नाइट्राइट से नाइट्रेट बना तो भी बैक्टीरिया ने काम किया, बैक्टीरिया ने हेल्प की, एंड दैट बैक्टीरिया इज नाइट्रोबैक्टर बैक्टीरिया, एंड दीज बैक्टीरियाज आर कॉल्ड एज नाइट्रीफाइंग बैक्टीरियाज, एंड दे आर कीमोऑटोट्रॉफ्स. Chemoautotrophs means the organisms which produces their food by their own with the help by the chemical reactions. ठीक है? These are nitrifying bacteria because this whole process is called as nitrification, and then the rest of the nitrate which is present in the soil is further converted into the atmospheric nitrogen, and this process is called as the denitrification. So this is the nitrate which is present in the soil, and this nitrate is further converted into the nitrogen, and this denitrification process is done by the Pseudomonas and Thiobacillus bacteria. So this is your whole nitrogen cycle. I hope you will understand.